Hey, what's up, guys? Sean here from CarShare Data, and I'm super excited because we've had a couple of bugs on the platform that have been worked out. So, listen, if you want to register, you can go and register right now on the site, carsharedata.com, for free, and you're going to get access immediately. All right. There was a breakdown apparently when in the registration process that wasn't allowing people to see the data, the live data feeds after they filled out the registration. So go ahead and register. If you've already registered, we've had several hundred of you already do that. You can either go and re-register, or we're going to actually set that up for you on our end. It might just take a couple days, and you'll get an email, but you'll be able to log in, and I'll show you where to see that. So when you go and register, there's a drop down under services here. You can see live data, and that's where you'll click to check out the live data feeds. Now, if you go to live data and you haven't registered for the site, it's going to tell you to do so. All right. So you can log in or you can register. You could do your forgot password, whatever. So go there, and then you're going to get access to this data board. And what you're going to be able to see is your local market, and it's going to show you how many cars are available, how many trips per car, how many trips by model, and what percentage of total trips. So this is all the cars that are available in DFW, how many trips they have total under their belt by model. So you can see, give you a really good idea what types of makes and models are doing really good in your local market. All right. And then here's your current average daily rates by quarter. So this is Q1 of 23, and it breaks it down by make, right? And then you can see also the average star rating for your local market. DFW average star rating is 4.78. The average number of trips per car is 28. And then you can see average rate by model. So the first one was by make, and this one is by model. And then again, same thing. It shows you their daily rate, average, and then what percentage of the total number there that they make up. And then here's the Q4 of 22 rates, and you can see the difference. And you can see there's a big decline in DFW on pricing. Like Acura, for instance, is 57 last quarter, and now it's at 35. So it's a big drop. In fact, across the board, we're seeing anywhere between 20 and 50% decrease in rates and average daily rates. And our hope here is that by giving you guys more information and more data, you can actually get better at pricing. We can all, as a collective, raise rates across the board, because these rates currently, nobody's making any money like that. Okay. Also, use the price calculator on the website. Okay. Everybody can use this whether you want to register for the site or not. And it's under services, and you just go to the price tool option, and you can use the price calculator, and it'll tell you what to price that vehicle at. And it'll give you a minimum daily rate that you should charge to cover all of your expense bases. And then it'll give you a target, and the target is based on operating at a 35 to 40% profit margin. So check it out, carsharedata.com. Go to the website, click sign up, register, and access it. And guys, we're looking for a lot of feedback from you guys, okay? We also have the ability for you to actually port in your data from CarSync, and you'll be able to have your own data display here. And I'll show you what that'll look like. And you can break that down. We're going to add a bunch of metrics to that for you to see all kinds of really cool data. So like you'll be able to see what days are most often start dates for reservations. You can see what the most return, like, so every day of the week, it'll show you what percentage of rentals are happening on that day that are starting and returning. You'll also be able to see, what the average, the best performance is on availability. So what percentage of market reservations are starting between 8 and noon, or between 8 and 11, 12 to 5, and 6 to 11, and then 11 to 7. So to show you, hey, these are the time blocks where there's a lot of activity happening, and it'll help you address what times you should make your vehicles available. It'll show you delivery fees. It'll show you the average 7-day discount, average 30-day discount. So you'll get all of that information, and then you can also benchmark your current numbers against that. So I can set alerts that says, hey, if my average daily rate on my Mercedes is lower than 5% of what the rest of the market is, send me a notification and alert my team to adjust that. So now you don't have to be in the app all the time scrolling through and trying to see what's available, so on and so forth. The system's going to automatically send you an alert and tell you, hey, adjust your price. You're more than 5% off, whether that's higher or lower, right? It's going to help you with utilization. It's going to tell you when the market is saying that there's low utilization, like right now, or if there's high utilization, to raise your rates. So a lot of cool information, and it's like having a data analyst sitting there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it's free. So sign up.